Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and when you're watching this, welcome to a new vlog. It's been almost 3 days since I got the vaccine, feeling good so far. Just a bit of laziness and slight shoulder pain, not so much, not pain. If I have to rate 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest, there's around 2 to 3, 2.5. So nothing major, all good so far. And thanks to the extension board on Chrome, I got vaccine slots for Manogna, my wife, and also my sister. My mother got 2 doses of vaccine. Now most of my family members are getting first dose of vaccine, so that's good. So go check that extension, get it done as soon as possible. In fact, yesterday night I even rescheduled from one center to another. Imagine getting a slot itself is tough, but I was able to reschedule from one center to other one because Rainbow LB Nagar was showing up a lot more slots, so got that first for my wife, but then switched to Apollo Jubilee Hills because that's much closer and I got it in the daytime. Didn't want to go after 2 o'clock because police checkposts keep stopping. They're not creating any trouble, but it's just that you have to stop at least 9 to 10 times to get to home after 2 o'clock. So just wanted to avoid that. By end of August, September, we'll be fully vaccinated, because Covishield you need to wait at least 12 plus weeks. For Covaxin, just 4 to 6 weeks. Different vaccines, different schedules. And just when I thought I'm done with unboxings, got 2 boxes. This was ordered way back in April when I got the bike. These are bike related accessories. So please pardon me if unboxings are getting too much, but this would have been done long time back. It's just that one came from US, Revzilla site. They got stuck at Mumbai customs for a while, but they eventually got released. Another one is from bikegear.in. These are primarily accessories for my Ducati 1100. Wanted to do some basic protection mods and also change few things that I didn't like the mirrors. So we'll start with the installation maybe today or tomorrow, because it's just that I'm too lazy right now. The weather is kind of cool now, and also with the vaccine I'm feeling very lethargic and lazy. I want to be in the bed throughout the time. So let's at least unbox it. We'll see. If I have some energy in the evening, I'll definitely do the upgrades myself. Some of it, not all, because something like a sump plate, you need to wash the bike thoroughly, and maybe I'll get it done in the service center. Anyway, let's unbox them and see what's in the box. This is the stuff from Bike Gear. So that's a sump plate for the Ducati 1100. Very minimalistic and high quality. These are the fork protectors. And this is the rear frame sider. The way you know it is, it has these bobbins that I can add a paddock stand to. Nice, good build quality. Brackets for the sump guard. So I leave the sump guard and the brackets in the box so that I can take it to the store and get it installed. And this is the package that I said came from US, from Revzilla site. You see the stamp? This is the custom stamp. So they open, they check the internals, and then they stamp it. But all custom packages, somehow they just get wrapped like this, man. They are slightly bent, the packaging and all. That's it, guys. This is the one I ordered. It's a bar and mirror. So imagine this is the handlebar here. I'll just use this as handlebar for your understanding. So once you have this handlebar, right, you can fold this completely inside when you're in tight spaces and open it for regular use. Cool, right? All you need to mount the mirror to the handlebar is the Stanley toolkit. The link's in the description besides other accessories that I use. Still need to figure out if I need to use this Derlin ball. The problem if I use that is it gets logged. So figured where the Derlin ball goes, the small ball that I showed. So previously it used to be here, but then there is another indentation in the stem here. So the ball goes in there. That way the movement is much more stiffer and you can adjust the position accordingly. In case you're ordering this, make sure you remove the screw and then position it inside the stem and then use some force to install the screw so that it doesn't sit on the outside. It just positions it well for this movement. So the first accessory that I'm gonna add is the mirror. So it should ideally go like this, but the thing is the diameter on this is much smaller than what the bar and cap currently has. So need to remove this, install the adapter and then the mirror. I don't think I can install the mirrors today because we have two mirrors, but I got only one bar end adapter. We need the 7/8 inch bar end adapter. I'll see if I can find it on Amazon in India side. Did a mistake by ordering only one set. I thought they'll come with two. So instead of the mirrors, I'll try to fit the rear end and the front end sliders. Hope that should be an easy job. Let's see. By the way, it is so humid today. Rained in the morning, late yesterday night. So I'm already sweating without any work, man. Crazy. So the way this works is very simple. You unscrew one end, remove the caps, make sure you have the washers in there, and then just slide it and install it. The tricky thing with some installations is you need to hold one end with the socket and then tighten the other end. Luckily I had two Stanley kits. One I thought I lost and then I found it somewhere else in the house. So two help me lock one side up and tighten the other side. If you don't have another set, maybe use cutting pliers or something. You can do it on your own. If you want to get it done at the dealership, they'll probably charge you 1500 to 2500 labor charges alone. So few fun things to do at home, but what's not fun is the sweat. It looks so clear. The problem is it's humid because it rained last night, but only two parts to fix today. Rest all will happen once I get the adapter. That was a dumb thing to do, Charan. Today seems to be a bad day on a whole. The problem is, you see, that's fitting properly well, whereas this one, no. That's too narrow. I can't adjust it or swivel it. If I reverse the adapter, this is going and hitting the disc. Need to replace a paddock stand. So that was a tricky day with installations, but that's okay, happens. Still few more accessories to come. I have an engine protector which goes to the frame. That is yet to come. Maybe it will come in a week or so. Besides that, I have a handlebar from US. I probably won't change the handlebar for a year, but I ordered it because it was on discount. These are the major upgrades on the Ducati Scrambler 1100. I'm not going to order anything more for the first year at least. Need to ride it more, man. It's just 500 kilometers odd. That reminds me, I have to check with the service center if they're going to do the service because the Odo is still not 1000. As I was making this video, I got a few comments on Instagram that the Covin booking extension on Chrome is not available anymore. They probably took it down. So there is the code still available in GitHub. So Google Covin booking extension, and if you scroll down the webpage, you'll find the GitHub site. Go down there, all the instructions are very clear, download it, and the extension would be available. So if the slots open up, you can still try it. I'm making it tougher and tougher for people to book, but the extension is still available. You just have to search a bit more than usual. I'll place some details on my Instagram page, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's it for today's video on the accessories and installations. Maybe I'll do the sump guard installation myself over the weekend if I'm getting bored. It's just 4-5 nuts that needs to be installed, but it's just that you need to get low on the bike, but without any paddock. It's going to be tricky and it's hot out there. That's why I said I'll probably take it to the service center. Let's see. Want to finish a ride this weekend too. That's the plan for my weekend. What's your plan for the weekend? Let me know in the comment section. In case you're watching this at night time, have a good night and take care. Bye bye.